Hello, friends. Hi, happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am sitting outside of my new house right now. I've just been sitting here staring at it. She's so beautiful. If you missed it on last week's video, I told you guys that I bought a house. This is still so crazy to me. It's like, it truly hasn't sunk in yet, and I think it's because it's still being built right now. I can't move into this house until late September, so I'm kind of floating in the meantime, but I thought it'd be so fun for this week's video to give you guys a full tour of the inside of the house, even though it's not done yet. Like, I think this is actually so cool that the house is still being built right now, because you will truly get to go on this journey with me from start to finish. Like, you're gonna see it right now. I'm about to go inside and show you everything. I know nothing about interior design, so I'm gonna need your help picking out colors, couches, pillows, all the things. I'm seriously so pumped. I feel like this is a big step that we're taking together as a family. Like, oh, how special. I truly am never gonna forget this. Like, I'm just so excited 10 years from now to look back at this video and remember when all of this started, and I love documenting it. Okay, so are you ready to see the house? Give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited. Leave a comment down below as I'm going through the house. Let me know what you think. If you have any ideas that come to mind on how to decorate it, just let me know. If any of you are first-time homeowners, or you're thinking about buying a house, or you're like me and you are buying a house and you have absolutely no idea what you're doing, please comment down below. I really hope that this series of the home ownership process is encouraging to you, whether you're going through the process or want to in the future, because hey, I do not have all the answers, and like I said in last week's video, I have been really overwhelmed by everything going on, but I want to share as much as I can with you about what I'm learning so that it makes your process easier and more fun as well. I just hope that this encourages you. I'm super excited to learn along the way as we do this together. Okay, let's go. Okay, here she is. She's this one right here. All I gotta say is I'm so excited about that front porch and all of the coffees and the late night chats that are gonna happen. I'm 100% getting a swing for the outside. Okay, I'm walking around back right now because I don't actually think I can go through the front door. The builders have been working on this every day, so I'm actually not sure if there is anybody here right now, but we're gonna find out. Okay, here's the back porch. Looks like they put a sliding door in. This is new from the last time that I was here. Okay, welcome to the dining room. This is where all the meals will be eaten. This is going to be my kitchen. This will be the pantry, and we've got a little half bath situation here. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite part. It's so open. So the kitchen is gonna be this entire thing right here. There'll be an island kind of right here where that pole is. That's where the sink will go. And then this will all be my living room. Lots of beautiful natural light. Here is the front door where we just came. Get ready, y'all, for all the kitchen videos that are gonna happen right here. Okay, so then coming over here, this is gonna be like a little place where you come in from the garage, which is right here. And then I'll take you upstairs. It's got a cute little stairway. This I think is a closet. We've got a little bonus living room up here for all the game nights. This will be the washer and dryer room. Also so pumped about this patio situation that's happening right here. And then let me welcome you to the master bedroom. This will be my room. Very high ceilings. We love that. This is the bathroom. I'm not sure what that is. I'm pretty sure this is the closet, which is amazing. Look how big this is. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, this has to be a closet too. I'm not really sure what that is. Okay, hallway. And then we've got, this will be the guest bedroom. Super cute, very spacious. And then this bathroom, oh, we got the tub. Wow, did I get a blue tub? No, just kidding, it's not a blue tub, but that would be actually really cool. Sinks will go here, got a tub. This bathroom area is shared with the other room, which I think I'm gonna make into an office. Not super sure yet. I don't know, I'm just so pumped about having an extra room that doesn't have to have a bed in it. So I think I'm gonna turn this into like an office filming space of some kind. Let me know what you think about that. Got a little closet in there. And that is about it. Okay, I have to tell you something that I did. When I came here on my birthday, it was the first time I'd ever come, I wrote 2 verses on the wood down here in the living room, but then I stopped because I got scared. I wasn't sure if I was allowed to. I've seen other people do that. Some of my friends have done that when they're building houses, but I also wasn't sure if I was like far enough along in the process to do that, so check it out. I've got one right here. This is my favorite verse, Psalm 18:29. It says, "By my God, I can leap over a wall." And then I think the other one, this one is Romans 12:12. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, and faithful in prayer. I don't know, I hope that's okay. I just wanted to have those little special verses, some of my favorite ones written on the walls of this house. I'm already so excited and honestly emotional when I really think about it. Just when I think about how many people I'm going to be able to love and serve and host in this house. I stand here in an empty living room right now, but what I hope one day will be a couch full of people and friends from all different walks of life that I can just do life with and pour into. Gosh, and so it's just really special. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna come once a week just to pray over the property. I came after church on Sunday and I just looked at the house, and I think it's just such a good reminder of God's faithfulness and all that he can do and how he can provide when we lay down our desires and say yes to what he's asking us. So guys, this is it. I'm so pumped. This is literally the coolest thing because you're going to be able to see this from start to finish. So thank you for going on this journey with me. I love you so much. Thanks for watching this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.